Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic console app flow for Selenium automation. In this series, we are using a simple console application to learn Selenium step by step. A console app is perfect for learning because it keeps the things clean, just code, output and browser actions. A standard Selenium console app has a clear flow. First, we start the program from the main method. Second, we run the topic class. For example, locators, exploit using a run method. Like in this case, we are using console app flow. Third, we create the WebDriver which starts the browser session. Fourth, we perform the automation steps like go to URL, find elements, click, type. Fifth, we print important outputs in the console for output validation. Finally, we close the browser using quit. In real automation frameworks, this same flow exists, only the structure is more advanced with test runners and reports. But the foundation is always the same. Start the driver, automate, validate, quit. Now I will show you the console flow by running the application. Once we run the application, we see browser is open, but how in the backend it operates. First, main calls our topic class. Here, the main calls our topic class. Once topic class creates Chrome driver, opens Cogmento, prints the title, URL, and then waits at the console.readline so we can see the output before closing. As we can see here, we see page title, current URL, and if we enter, page will be closed. This console app flow is the foundation for every Selenium test will be learning. Next, we will continue with the next topic from our syllabus. Thank you.